I just realized that I did my full face of makeup and I didn't film demos for the two products that I am reviewing for you all today. Lord, give me the strength. So, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be sharing this review with you because I am reviewing the Paula's Choice Triple Active Repair Serum with hexyl resorcinol, retinoid, and niacinamide. Look at this beautiful shade of blue. I wish I could pull this off as a nail polish, but I don't think it goes with my skin tone. This is number 4, part of the treating portion of your skincare routine if you are a Paula's Choice user, Paula's Choice product user. Paula's Choice very kindly sent this over as part of PR, and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts or opinions with you all today. This is one of Paula's Choice newest anti-aging serums that is clinically proven to visibly reduce fine lines, wrinkles, improve dullness and discoloration, and visibly restore firmness with a potent blend of hexyl resorcinol, retinoid, and niacinamide. You can find this at paulaschoice.com. It is available in 2 sizes, so a 1 ounce unit retails for $48 and a travel sized unit, 0.17 ounces, retails for $12. Both sizes will be linked down below for you. Paula's Choice suggests that you apply an even layer to the face and neck twice a day. I always do that. Twice a day as tolerated on clean, dry skin. Exfoliated skin is preferred. This is suitable to be used under the eye area. So I would say this is a serum for your face and a serum for your eyes. So if you're on a budget, dealing with the signs of aging, this is a good option for you. If you are, however, using it during the day, do make sure that you apply your sunscreen as a finishing product during the daytime portion of your routine. This serum has a rather short ingredients list, which I personally love to see. We see close to 2 handfuls of the best anti-aging hydrating ingredients available, paired with 11 good ingredients here. We see a number of really good antioxidants as well. We see niacinamide, 0.3%, retinoid, hexyl resorcinol, and chestnut leaf extract. Niacinamide has become one of my favorite ingredients as it helps to minimize pore size, improve a dull, uneven tone, and also help with wrinkle depth. I also love that it minimizes transepidermal water loss, and it also helps to strengthen your skin's protective barrier. Retinol propionate, I think that's how you say it, is a derivative of vitamin A that shares the same benefits as retinol, but it is a lot more stable. And what are the benefits of retinol, you ask? Well, the ingredient encourages skin to look and behave as if it were younger, as it boosts the production of collagen and elastin. It inhibits discoloration, it firms, improves dullness, and also texture. Hexyl resorcinol is an antioxidant that also helps to improve an uneven tone, and it preserves skin's firmness and helps fade dark spots. For some reason, I thought that I'd started using this recently, but it turns out that by looking at my notes, it looks like I have actually been using this since mid-June. I loved this serum's lightweight texture as it's not sticky and it does glide over the skin effortlessly. This is not a watery or a runny serum at all. It has more of a creamy, lightweight texture. It is, however, nowhere near lotion-like. A few days after using this, I noted that my skin wakes up feeling firmer, plumper and tighter, but tighter in a good way. Not tighter in a squeaky clean kind of way, you know? On July 28th, so almost a month after my initial note here, I noted that my skin still felt smoother, plumper, and firmer. And when skin cycling with the Josie Marin Acid Blend, which looks like this here, I will be reviewing this for you soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that review. And also using the Dr. Loretta Hydrating Serum. I will link my review to that up above as well. That is truly a unique texture. The triple active repair serum here works very well on the neck and décolleté, which I absolutely love. I feel like this year has been the year where I am focusing on the neck and deck a lot more than I have previously. So make sure that you are bringing everything down. The skin again does not feel incredibly smooth when I wake up, but the forehead looks great and pores are more refined. And finally, on August 9th, I noted that I am still loving this serum. Skin looks and feels firmer, more even toned, and brighter, even though I am still anxiously picking at my skin. Now, I could have spoken to this. I don't know when I'm going to film my my demo, but you can still see some post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation from the skin picking and the tiniest bit here. But I will note that the skin just appears more even toned when I am not wearing makeup. And even today, I am using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I feel like I can get away with wearing less of the foundation of the makeup. And even today in the morning when I went to the doctor's, I wore the True Match Skin Tint. I'll link my first impressions review to that up above. I felt like I really could have just applied a much thinner layer of that because I feel like I haven't had to wear loads and loads of foundation. I'm just really happy with where my skin is currently. Although it is recommended that you can use this both morning and evening if tolerated, I personally did not use this during the day as I have been using Drunk Elephant's C Firma Fresh during the day. I feel like the combo of using a retinoid such as this and an alpha hydroxy acid the next night, kind of skin cycling at night, has really helped to brighten and kind of clarify the skin and give it a more brighter appearance. So I have used a number of retinol based products in the past, and I'll mention the Youth to the People Retinol Serum that also includes niacinamide within its formula. After using both of those, I will say that the main difference between the two is that the Youth to the People serum had more of a clarifying effect, anti-acne effect on my skin, whereas this Paula's Choice serum has had more of an anti-aging, firming effect on my skin that has also promoted an even tone. Both have similar textures as they lean on a lightweight, creamy type of texture, and I can see myself using both of these anytime throughout the year. I will also mention the last Josie Marin product that I reviewed, which is the Josie Marin Retinol Cream, which I still love and use. I'd recommend the cream to more sensitive types or those who love layering retinol based creams over hydrating serums for a more gentler approach to treating the signs of aging. Serums tend to be more potent in your skincare arsenal as their molecular structure is much smaller than that of, say, a moisturizer. So let's remember that not everyone's approach to skincare is the same, as skincare types sensitivities and, of course, your environment play a huge role in how you treat and target your concerns. Overall results from using this have been plumper, firmer, more vibrant skin. I have noticed a more refined appearance to pores throughout, most specifically here along the forehead and my chin. I did not experience any redness, irritation, or flaking. I did skin cycle throughout this test, and I didn't feel like I needed to add an additional night of hydration. If anything, I feel like I could have used, or I did use this 2 nights in a row, just because I didn't feel dry, flaky, irritated, or itchy. I also feel like I could get away with using this perhaps every night. I will say that I did not use my retinoid prescription throughout this test, as I really did want to experience this and see what the results were from using this alone. But to be honest, I do need to get back to using my retinoid, especially since I did get a stronger prescription today. This paired very well with different moisturizers and oils at night. You can use this during the day, but I did not. My favorite way to use this was, of course, by starting my cleansing routine with the FARMACY Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I do still have the strawberry shortcake unit. Then I'd follow that with my IS Clinical Cleansing Complex. That is divine. And then I'd follow it with the PCA Hydrating Toner. Then I'd go ahead and apply a couple pumps of this to the face, neck, and décolleté. And then I'd finish this off with the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. I feel like I always revisit that moisturizer during the summer, and I fall in love with it every single time. Just as I have with Serum Day Serum, I feel like both of those products are true gems. Both of these make such a good anti-aging cocktail. So if you have got resilient skin, I would actually use the Paula's Choice 2% BHA toner, allow that to dry, and then apply this, and then finish off with this, and oh my God. I would actually do that because I have resilient skin, but I am a true sucker for hydrating toners. Hydrating toners are my jam. Because this is free of drying alcohols, sensitizing ingredients, and fragrance, I can see all skin types benefiting from this serum. It is great for anti-aging, anyone struggling with the loss of firmness, elasticity, anyone dealing with larger pores, dull skin, and an uneven tone. Pros here, I have loads apparently. Perfect for aging skin, non-drying, irritating retinol product. I like the consistency of this. This did not irritate my neck or chest, and I did use this every time all over in this area. I do like the packaging here. It's opaque, so it keeps the integrity of these ingredients intact. However, I don't think that there is a way for you to see how much product you have left. So if you fall in love with this, just kind of make sure you have a backup lined up, unless you know, just be prepared to suddenly have no pumps left. The price point here, $48 for a 1 ounce unit. Now, let me share with you 3 retinol-based products that I have reviewed with their price point. These are products that I love and still use. The Drunk Elephant A Passione Retinol Cream, $72. Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum, another gem, $92. Pharmacy 1% Vitamin A Retinol Serum, $60. However, you can use my code Nadia20 and it will take 20% off your entire purchase at pharmacybeauty.com. You know, taking some change off of that, making that an even lower price point. That is an affiliate code as well, you should know. So those all contain retinol derivatives, different percentage of retinol, and different ingredients alongside the retinol, the niacinamide. I don't think any of those, however, have hexylresorcinol. I may be wrong. Some have similar consistency, however, the Murad I feel like is more of a serum, whereas the other two are more kind of creamy serums. So I just wanted to share those price points just to perhaps make this a little bit more interesting to you, because those are some pretty high price points. And you do have retinol, hexylresorcinol, and niacinamide here for $48 by Paula's Choice. So cons, I do not have any. I feel like I perhaps have been quite generous with my ratings here, and I will continue to be generous because I am actually rating this a 10 out of 10. I have been pleasantly surprised with Paula's Choice recent launches, such as the Pro Collagen Multi-Peptide Booster. I will link my review to that up above. This literally gave me results overnight, and with continued use, I could see a noticeable change, not just on pore size, but overall with the brightness of my skin, the tone of my skin. After overnight use, my skin would wake up feeling firmer and plumper as well. So let me know if you have used this product by Paula's Choice in the comments down below. What's your skin type? What were your results? Let's discuss down below. As always, thank you all for spending some time with me today, for watching the video. Give it a like if you enjoyed it. It really helps the algorithm here. That is all I have for you today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I feel like my Fridays are jam-packed all the time, and today was no exception. What a mess today has been. Love my life, I love my life, I love my life. I don't know why, but Toby has been farting recently. And don't get me wrong, I think it's just because he's getting older. I feel... he turned 7 July 27th, and my baby boy, he's just, you know, farting and sleeping the day away. Gotta love that the doors are closed so we can just both smell his farts.